નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, continues of this chapter, our next topic is Cheroid Temple. Cheroid it means Rath, temple, you know very well, Mandir, Cheroid Temple. A unique feature of Pallava age can be seen in the famous Cheroid Temple of the South India. What they have to given the dear children, they have to given them. Whatever the unique feature of Pallava age can be seen in the famous Cheroid Temple of the southern India, which is carved out of a single rock. What they have to say that? They have to say that whatever the carving work is there, that carving work out of only from a single rock. Kailasna temple of Kanchi and the temple of Venkat Perumal. What they have to say that the temple of Kanchi and the temple of the Venkat Perumal are the best example of the architecture's art. These two are the best example of the architecture art. Which two are there? One is the Kanchi and second one is the Venkat Perumal. Apart from above, the Mandap as Mahabalipuram and Cheroid temple of Mahabalipuram are the world famous. Dear children, this is the most important thing. What they have to say that? They have to say that the Mandap of Mahabalipuram and Cheroid temple of Mahabalipuram are the world famous. These two are the world famous one. Each one of them is a rock cut temple, and each one of them is a rock cut temple. These Cheroids are named after the name of Pandava. And this Cheroid, you know, this Rath, it means these Cheroid are named after the name of Pandavas. Cheroid temple of the Dharmaraj. Cheroid temple of the Dharmaraj is the biggest one, whereas the Cheroid temple of Draupadi is the smallest. What they have to say that? They have to say that the Cheroid temple of the Dharmaraj is the biggest one, where the Cheroid temple of Draupadi is the smallest one. After, dear children, they have to given about the temple of the architecture. What they have to given the dear children? They have to given about the temple of the architecture. It means Mandir Sthapastya, temple of architecture. Many famous temple architecture are seen with the high pedestal and pinnacle with ladders. What they have to say that, dear children? This is the most important thing. They have to say that many famous temple architecture are seen with the high pedestal. Pedestal it means basni, and pinnacle. Pinnacle it means parakast, at the top level, with a ladder, with their ladder. What they have to say that? They have to say that whatever the architecture you have to see at the high level. But some are flat, with the Pradakshina path, with Pradakshina path encircling the Garbhagruha, innermost part of the temple. And Garbhagruha it means the innermost part of the any temple. And the Bhumra Shiva temple. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that the Bhumra Shiva temple near the Jabalpur and the temple of Larkhan in Bijapur district. What they have to say that? They have to say about this is the Shiva temple. It means Shiva temple of Jabalpur and the temple of the Larkhan in Bijapur district. Copper statue of the Lord Buddha. What they have to say that? Here the copper statue of the Lord Buddha in Nalanda. Where? In Nalanda in Sultanganj. And the Jain temple of Mathura are unique specimen of the architecture. What they have to say that? They have to say that the Jain temple of Mathura are the unique specimen of the architecture as well as the sculpture. There is a greater contribution of Pallava king. What they have to say that? They have to say that here the greater contribution of the Pallavas king. Temple constructed in, this temple was constructed in Kanchi, the capital city of the Pallava. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that here the temple is constructed in Kanchi. Here the temple constructed in the Kanchi and this the capital city of the Pallavas are very famous one. After they have to say that the Tanjavara, what they have to given that they have to said about the Tanjavur was the capital of the Chola dynasty. What was the capital of the Chola dynasty, dear children? The capital of the Chola dynasty was the Tanjavur. And the great Brahmdeshwar temple was the first temple constructed by Raja Raj of the Chola dynasty. Dear children, this is the most important. What they have to say that the great Brahmdeshwar temple was the first temple that was constructed by Raja Raj of the Chola dynasty, and it is about 200-meter high. How much? It is about near about 200-meter high, and it is an extraordinary temple of the ancient India, and that's why we can say that here this is known as also the extraordinary temple of the ancient India. Here dear children, they have to given about the Chariot temple. Whatever we are learning, Chariot, it means Rath Mandira. Just you have to see the image. And this was constructed out of only one rock. After dear children, they have to given about the information of the architecture of the Gopuram. What they have to given that architecture of the Gopuram. Here Gopuram architecture, you know very well, Sthapatya. Gopuram means the entrance of the temple. What was the meaning of the Gopuram? First of all, dear children, Gopuram, it means the entrance of the temple. When you are entering into the temple, whatever the entrance gate is there, that is known as a Gopuram. The construction of this temple is gained the momentum due to the encouragement of the Pandya rule of the South India. Now what happened there? This construction of the temple gained and momentum due to the encouragement of the Pandya rule of the South India. They built the high outer wall and the beautiful decorated gates outside the temple. What they have to given that, dear children, they have to given that they built the high outer wall as well as the beautiful decorated gate outside the temple. The gate of this temple are known as a Gopuram, and that's why they have to given that the gate of this temple are known as a Gopuram, and we know very well that this gate was also the decorated. The artisan glory of Gopuram has become more popular than its temple. What? The artisan glory of this Gopuram has become the more popular than its temple. Here the Gopuram of the Kanchi, here the Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai give an aesthetic pleasure even today when viewed from the distance. What they have to say that whenever you show the Gopuram of Kanchi and Madurai, they given a beautifully aesthetic pleasure, it means Anna. Even today when you have to view from the distance. Dear children, this is the, they have to given about the wall image. Here see the architecture of the Gopuram. Here Gopuram is there, place of Gopuram, here Mandap, Shikhar is there, here Viman is there, and this is the Garbhagruh. This is the whole structure of the architecture of the Gopuram. Now they have to given about the information of the linear sketches of that temple. It means they have to given the detail of that temple, whatever we have to see in the above image. First they have to given about the information of the Garbhagruh. Garbhagruh means the small and dark rectangular room. What was the meaning of Garbhagruh? Garbhagruh, it means small and dark rectangular room in which the idol is kept. It means here the idol Murti is kept. In Gujarat, it is known as a Gabharo. In Gujarat, it is known as a Gabharo. After they have to given about the Gopuram. Gopuram means the gateway of southern Indian temple. What they have to say there? They have to say that Gopuram means the gateway of which part of India? Southern Indian temple. Two lower storage of temple are convex shape. Which shape? Two lower storage of temple have which shape? Convex shape. And the other two storage allowed to make a pyramidical structure. Which one? Other have the pyramid structure that make the Gopuram stronger. After they have to given about the Mandap. Mandap, it is the big hall constructed on the pillar or is a huge area lying in the front of the main gate, it is known as a mandapa. After they have to given about the pinnacle. Pinnacle, it means shikhar at the top. The pointed of the exterior part of the garbhagruh. What they have to say there? They have to say that pointed the exterior part of the garbhagruh at the top is known as a pinnacle. It is the plated either with the gold or brass. What they have to say there? At the top level, at the shikhar level, it is plated either with the gold or brass. After they have to given about the information of Vimana. Viman is a part of temple. What they have to say that? They have to say that Viman is a part of the temple. It is semicircle. Which shape, dear children? It is semicircle or in sloping shape. It has many storage and looks like pyramid. It has many storage and looks like pyramid. Now, the sun temple of Konark is in Odisha, which is the one of the form of Jero temple. Dear children, now this is the most important thing. What they have to say that? They have to say that the sun temple of the Konark in Odisha, which is the one of the form of Jero temple. Brahmdeshwar temple of Tanjore has 13 storied Gopuram. What they have to say that? They have to say that the Brahmdeshwar temple of Tanjore has how many storied? 13 storied of Gopuram. And metallic and stone ideal of this age have special characteristic feature. Which of the special characteristic feature? Metallic and stone ideal of age have special characteristic of that features. Bronze statue of Nataraj is the best example of idol sculpting of that time. Which one? Bronze statue of the Nataraj. This is the important thing. Bronze statue of the Nataraj is the best example of the idol sculpting of their time. Chola temple have their own splendor. Chola temple have their own splendor in age in the field of the art and architecture. It means they have to say that Chola's temple have their own splendor. Splendor, it means part, vibhajan, in their field of the art as well as the architecture. So, Meenakshi, one of the huge temples of the India in Madurai. What they have to say there, dear children? They have to say that Meenakshi is one of the huge temple of the India in Madurai, and it is spread in the vast area. And Madurai temple spread into the vast area. It has 4 main Gopuram. It has main 4 Gopuram. How many? 4. From the architecture point of view. From the architecture point of view, it is the wonderful temple. Meenakshi temple is a one kind of the wonderful temple and have how many Gopuram? 4 Gopuram. Gopuram you know very well. Gopuram, it means the gateway. Gopuram, it means the one kind of the gateway of the southern Indian temple. Already we are learning that. In the medieval period, Khajuraho was the capital city of Chandela ruler of the Bundelkhand. You know very well that Khajuraho was the capital city of the Chandela ruler of the Bundelkhand. After Chandela ruler built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. Now what happened that year? We know that Chandela ruler built a beautiful temple at Khajuraho. And the style of pinnacle, it means shikhar, top. The style of whatever the pinnacle, it means shikhar, top level, varies from the others. And Khajuraho temple are the finest temple, and Khajuraho temple is one kind of the finest. Finest, it means best, best, finest temple. Thank you for joining us.